Welcome everybody. Today's word is negotiation. 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 This word is a noun. Its English meaning is the discussion aimed at reaching an agreement or to arrange or settle something or to get over an obstacle. Its Hindi meaning is बातचीत, समझौता या समझौता वार्ता. Its synonyms are discussion, mediation, diplomacy, debate, or bargaining. We can use negotiation in a sentence like this: there is no negotiation between Israel and Hamas. Second sentence is like this: people are waiting for a positive negotiation between the government and the opposition. So students, remember negotiation. Thank you very much and have a nice day.